Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders the normally say shall never end. See, in this platform, we react to all videos that will bring it to you the way it should be. Now, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst because here, Abba, we dey talk am as it supposed be. So, the members of the DOS had a broadcast yesterday, which is the 19th of September 2024. And in this broadcast, there's a lot of pressing issues that were touched light. Now, one of the comrades from Biafra land lost his life, but a lot of people were saying, this person, somebody do this, somebody do-" while we did not really know the full update of what happened. Now we are hearing from the DOS that is an household enemies that by the person. There is a lot of pressing issue that you will love to hear, but I want you to watch this video to the end. Now, sit back, carry your popcorn. Let's listen to all the information one after the other, and I'll be right back.
Nonsense politics, they risk everybody privacy at risk. What they are dragging, I don't know. What they want, I don't know. They allow themselves, people coming, people that have been in the struggle for 10 years, for 11 years, for 12 years. People have been in the struggle for 7 years, 6 years. People come in and start telling you rubbish, you start running around. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in detention? I do not blame some of you sometimes. I know who I put my blame on. And when the time comes, I will say it publicly. I blame you for doing all these things in IPOB because all these confusions, everything, all this killing is caused by some group of people that were given unwarranted support just to dislodge the DOS, just to dislodge the people leading this struggle. I am asking BIAFRANS, if the leadership leave this struggle, where do you think we will be by now? Let us leave it. Let those who think they can manage it. Let BIAFRANS come on this radio and tell me, China Samoru Chike, you people resign. Let us give it. I will resign tomorrow. Since it has led to killing our own members. Enemies in the house. Enemies in the house. BIAFRANS, if you do not want the leadership to continue to lead you, come on Radio Biafra. Tell us that you do not want us to lead you any longer. I will honorably resign for you people. Because people we took oath with are going behind the planning evil against their own principal officers, against planning how to kill their own people. What are they dragging? Women? Money? Or what? Fame? Mazi, the death of Mazi Ikechukwu is really, whatever I'm saying, I never planned that this thing will happen. And it really is taking away what I want to talk. But I'm going to stop here.
So, my beautiful family, there's another thing that he also said. I'm bringing all this for you to keep record, for you to drop your opinion in the comment section, what you really think. Now, he said about the plan they have towards Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as soon as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. Now, let's listen to him, and I'll be right back.
The law cases, they are the one, if you are talking this, they are talking that, because all their problem was people were rushing to hijack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu legal case. Everybody was rushing to hijack the case. Every lawyer, and I'm saying it on this radio, apart from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and the Barrister Nnemeka Ejiofor, there is no lawyer hanging around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu who have bring out one IPOB member. Are you hearing me? Everybody running around for their fame. Maybe after the case, some will go to contest for House of Rep. That is why you see the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, people running around. As the leadership, we have sent messages through different channels, and we were told those people are the right people to handle the case. They know what they are doing. And because of that, we must stay aside, let them finish. In case they say they have failed, IPOB leadership will never hesitate to come inside. So whatever message they give out to the public, that is where we are going to stand. I'm not speaking with Mazen Namdekano unless there is a message that comes. And any message that comes, I have to verify it very well. Because where Mazen Namdekano is, a lot is happening. There is no message that goes out from there. The DSS is not aware. So anything that comes, I will look at it. The leadership will look at it, whether it will endanger the family, whether it will endanger the struggle. So we believe whatever the lawyers who are around, anything they tell us, we take it for now. Until they say they cannot do any longer. But we are there. That is for in Nigeria. But internationally, we carry the flag of Mazen Namdekano. We carry the message for his unconditional release. There are many diplomatic jobs going. We don't come to talk about it. Because we know that diplomatically, I think within this period, Mazen Namdekano, we were having a consultant, we pay over £100,000. People do not know. To lobby things. And you know, because we don't come to boast, there are people, there are others who have over $100,000 lobbying around the world. When people see those things in newspaper, they run and come and claim responsibility. They don't know what is happening. They don't even have idea how those things. They thought those things are falling from the moon because the leadership do not come to boast. Do not come. I don't mean we are not doing consultancy consultancy that give us breakdown every 2 weeks. Even before we pay him for everything, he must give us details if we are satisfied at what they have done before we pay them. So IPOB leadership is engaging seriously. We have missions to accomplish, and diplomatically, while we take it to that far, diplomatically is that we found out that people holding Mazen Namdekano, the Igbo politicians are involved, and they play the card with the Nigerian government. So I don't want to talk about them, but we must use an external force to make sure that that hand, we will frustrate them with all their plans. They are not, some people are thinking, when they release, they have the Nigerian government, Igbo politicians have made a post plan if Mazen Namdekano is released. The Igbo politicians have already hatched a plan if Mazen Namdekano is released. A plan of assassination. I am saying it now so that people will take note. When they will be tired from the international pressure, they will be tired from all pressures around the world to release Mazen Namdekano. Now, they have already made the plans. For what? Assassination in Biafra land. They have already made the plans. They have made the plans, and it is people around Mazen Namdekano they will use to condemn. That is why Mazen Namdekano coming out from the detention, everybody must be on high alert to protect Mazen Namdekano. Because the politicians and Nigerian government, when they have found that they have weakened IPOB, they will release Mazen Namdekano. They don't want him to walk freely in Biafra land. Everybody should know that. So that is why it pains us when we see some people going to beg money from those who are planning the death of Mazen Namdekano. They think they are.
Now we want to go to the last one, a bad social media attack. What is really happening? Now, they also expatiate on it because what is too much is too much. But I don't really want to say it by myself. I want to listen, and I'll be right back.
I'd like you to also emphasize, because when you look at sometimes some of our people in social media, honestly, privately, personally, I become ashamed. You see, many of our people on social media, if it is not about insulting somebody or a call no story, gossip or one thing or the other, they don't have any other thing to offer. Maazi, please, I want you to add your mouth also, emphasize more. You have been saying it, but emphasize it. Our people on social media should be picking one topic analyzing and teaching people. That is the most important thing. Exposition. Not only asekwa, only some of them. Honestly, I don't even, if I want to even block their this because they don't have anything. Instead of only asekwa, or just nonsense stories. Instead of telling people, making expositions that people will learn from. Instead, they start steering disorder. Please, Mazi, please emphasize there, so that our people on social media, many, not all of them anyway, many, some of them, without talking, bringing one gossip or one thing against one person or the other, they don't have anything to offer. Mazi, one time you said you advised them, if you don't have anything to talk, please, be teaching people how to speak Igbo or how to write Igbo. There is one of our sisters that is always doing that, and I love that sister. You know, so even if you don't have anything to offer, one time you said you advised them, if you don't have anything to talk, please, be teaching people how to speak Igbo or how to write Igbo. There is one of our sisters that is always doing that, and I love that sister. You know, so even if you don't have anything to offer, or you have run out of analysis or ideas, you be teaching people even Urobo, be speaking a job, teaching people different your Biafran language or dialect. Mazi, please, I want you to emphasize on that.
Mazi, this is it's also a very good topic, and I'm going to clarify every Biafran here today. Mazi, you see this few number of people. Let me make it very clear. IPOB have IPOB media. Warrior, this is like Mazi, as they come, they call you Professor Chinedu. They call this one Professor, Doctor. Are you understanding me? Warrior, I don't know. Everybody must understand this thing. I have said this thing on many occasions. We don't put guy name in what we are doing. I am Mazi Chinasa Nworu. Not Akekuchi Onwawan or all these ones they are talking. It doesn't move me, and I don't need it. Call me Mazi Chinasa Nworu. That Mazi will even make me more happy. You know, I want to, psychologically, I want to position myself like the Northerners, where they would prefer to be called Alhaji than to be called a professor. You know, most of them, even though he's a professor, he will call him Alhaji Professor. You understand? Before you put his name. So the Mazi there is very, very important for me, because since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brought that word, it is now solidified in our society. You understand me? These are what it makes a very great impact in our life. People are carrying their shoulder up when you call him Mazi Onyediotua. He feel respected. You understand me? Mazi, IPOB media is what we have. And the Mazi Chukwudi Ofoma is the head of IPOB media. Mazi Chukwudi Ofoma is the head of IPOB media. And there is somebody assisting him. Don't need to mention his name. And we have other media heads. We have independent medias. We have, sometimes I used to get lost how many media groups we have, we control, and every group have what they are doing. And Maz, I can tell you that some of these people you see that make this too much noise on the social media space, they are not in those our media groups. I'm making it very clear, everybody has to know. And I will tell people how they are formed.
This is what I normally used to sing for them. I say, stop all this attack. It will favor you. Some people did not even have topic anymore. Tomorrow this, next tomorrow this. Only one person they used to sing reggae tune. But now that they have been conscious, I think that there will be change henceforth. So my beautiful family, please do it to like the video, share and subscribe. And do it to drop your own opinion in the comment section, what you think about everything. I will be in the comment section with you. Thank you once again. Please, you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because I give you all the updates back to back. Please smash on that button that say subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again, and bye bye.